Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play your Nintendo Switch Fortnite account on your PlayStation 5. Many players wonder if their progress, V-Bucks, and cosmetic items can transfer between consoles, and the good news is, they absolutely can. We'll go over the straightforward process of linking your Epic Games account, which is the secret to unlocking your Fortnite journey across different platforms. Get ready to seamlessly continue your Battle Royale adventures, no matter which console you choose to play on. The foundation of playing your Fortnite account across different consoles lies with your Epic Games account. If you've been playing Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch, your game progress is likely already tied to an Epic Games account, even if you created it automatically. It's crucial to ensure this link is established. If you haven't explicitly created one, you can easily do so and connect your Switch profile. This central account acts as your universal key, saving all your hard-earned progress and items. Once your Epic Games account is properly set up and linked, the next step is to get Fortnite running on your PlayStation 5. First, download and install the Fortnite game application from the PlayStation Store. After the installation is complete, launch the game. You'll be prompted to log in. Make sure to use the exact same Epic Games account credentials that you used or linked on your Nintendo Switch. This ensures all your progress, V-Bucks, and items are recognized and loaded onto your new console. And just like that, you're all set to enjoy your Fortnite account on your PlayStation 5, picking up right where you left off. You should see all your V-Bucks, skins, emotes, and Battle Pass progress seamlessly transferred. This cross-progression feature, powered by your Epic Games account, allows for incredible flexibility. Now you can team up with friends on any platform and continue your epic battles without missing a beat. Happy gaming, and enjoy the versatility of your Fortnite experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.